The last technology platform that I wanted to share is that of Blooket. And I know that I'm probably not unique in sharing this, and this is one that many teachers use and love and students love, but it's something that I think within the classroom can be taken going from like what seems like a game to really innovative instruction that is good for students. And so I feel as though that this is again meant for students and their ability to review content, to even learn new content, to show understanding of content. And so with Blooket, you sign in for free. You can create your own. So I have one that is used for the Arc of the Hero's Journey that we're currently learning about in freshman English. What I like about this is students can either play solo. So if I want them to do independent review and to kind of do that review, they can do that through solo mode, or I can host a game. What's nice when you host a game is that you're able to see reports about that. So I can see when we played this today for our bell work, I'm able to see which of my students are doing really well with the hero's journey concepts versus some of the ones that I know that I need to really review that with them and make sure that they're receiving that additional practice and so they understand that. It provides really good data. And so for our ISTE standards, that of the analyst is really perfect for this because this is such a fun way for kids to show their understanding, but then we can use that for some good data so that way we can move forward with that. You don't have to just create your own. You are able to discover and look at so many that other teachers have made. And so again, for our ISTE standards, the collaborator, we are as educators, we are sharing our work and letting that benefit our classrooms and other classrooms. So verb tenses, there's fun ones. You can use them for brain breaks, for social emotional learning. So many awesome things there. Finally, you can assign this as homework. And so I like to assign for mine some homework. So what I'll do is if I need them to just continuously practice, they can see. So again, I see that I have some that are doing a fantastic job when it comes to this versus I have some that I need to make sure that I am talking them through this and making sure that they're receiving some more instruction to this. So while this is definitely not something that is brand new, it is something that is a good piece of technology to implement in your classroom for many reasons.